Hey DJ! Since it's summer party time, today I'm unboxing this GeyGuy GTSK8-2 portable Bluetooth speaker that comes with two wireless microphones, 8-inch woofer and tweeter for loud sound anytime, anywhere. Inside the box, you get everything you need. This speaker doesn't just support Bluetooth, you can also turn on the FM radio to calm your grandma with the news. You can even connect a third-party microphone or a guitar via cable, and it also supports the external audio source through 3.5mm aux input. The built-in rechargeable battery means the party can follow you into the wild, from mountain peaks to the forest trails. Thanks to retractable handle and rolling wheels, it's easy to move the speaker during longer trips. A nice bonus, system comes with a phone or tablet holder for easier karaoke singing or music streaming, and the included remote control makes being the DJ even easier. But now, let's get to the unboxing, setup, and a quick microphone test.
To the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We were looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found. Never
maximum echo, check the mic, and minimum echo when you speak direct. And of course middle mode, change the mic volume, music, and that's so easy. Just change volume and get your party ready.
Gonna see what we found, and you're never gonna see us again. We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We went looking for a new sound.